Welcome to the My Game Builder Hour of Code. Hi, my name is Carly, and I'm a user experience engineer at My Game Builder. Today, we're going to use some of the basics of computer science to program a character, which in gaming is often called a sprite, to navigate a couple different mazes and collect gems. For each challenge, you will be given instructions about what you need to accomplish on the top left of the page. In order to get our sprite, the dwarf, to do anything, we will need to use JavaScript commands in our code editor on the left side of the screen. JavaScript is the most popular programming language used on the internet, and it is also used in coding video games. In order to get the dwarf to successfully complete the instructions in each challenge, you are going to have to give it some commands about what to do. This is what computer science is all about, using a language that the computer understands in order to tell it what you want it to do. For each exercise, you will be given a list of commands that you can use underneath the code editor in the area labeled Command Reference. In this first exercise, you will only need two commands, dwarf.move to get the sprite to walk forward one grid tile, and dwarf.collect to get the dwarf to pick up a gem. You can enter your commands under the line in the code editor labeled Enter Your Actions Here. Be sure to enter your commands exactly the way they are listed in the actions list. JavaScript is case sensitive, which means it needs characters to be a certain way in order to work, even the parentheses. You can always copy and paste the commands if that's easier for you, but typing them out correctly is good practice. Since the dwarf.move command only moves the dwarf forward one tile, you will need to use it more than once in order to get the dwarf where he needs to go. Always be sure to order your commands from top to bottom in the order in which you want them to happen. When you think you have the right order of commands, test them out with the dwarf by pressing the play button on the top of the game screen. If you've successfully gotten the dwarf to collect the gems, click the next button on the top left corner of the screen to move on to the next challenge.